everyone, I'm Cheryl Pinto.
Hi, I'm Rita D'Souza.
We're launching the Rise Up workshop on the 3rd of November and we're here to share some details with you.
So Cheryl, can you tell us who is going to benefit from attending this workshop?
Sure. Every woman will benefit from attending this workshop, regardless of the position you hold or your age. If you are in a career or you want to be in a career, then you will benefit from attending this workshop. To be more specific, let me ask you this question. Do you hesitate? Do you hesitate to ask for a pay raise or a promotion or maybe a change in role or additional responsibilities? Do you otherwise feel that you are not given equal opportunities? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, then this workshop is for you. So if you love what you've just heard, then register now. The link is in the description below.
Also, do stay tuned for some exciting competitions. See you soon.
See you. Bye.